Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kachpal A Learnings. In this video we are going to study about biphasic dosage form. So let's start. Contents covered in this video are definition, types, advantages, disadvantages, uses and factors affecting biphasic dosage form. First, definition of biphasic liquid dosage form. Biphasic dosage forms, also known as biphasic drug delivery systems, are pharmaceutical formulations that consist of two distinct phases within a single dosage form. These two phases are typically immiscible liquids or solid and liquid phases that are physically separated but can be mixed together before administration to the patient. The purpose of biphasic dosage forms is to achieve specific drug release profiles, enhance drug stability, improve bioavailability, or provide other therapeutic benefits. There are several types of biphasic dosage forms, each designed to achieve different goals. First, suspensions. These are biphasic systems consisting of solid particles suspended in a liquid medium. The solid particles may settle at the bottom of the container over time, so the suspension needs to be shaken or mixed before administration. Suspensions are used when drugs have poor solubility or stability in liquid forms, or when controlled release of the drug is desired. Second, emulsions. Emulsions are mixtures of two immiscible liquids, typically oil and water, stabilized with an emulsifying agent. They are used to deliver drugs that are not soluble in water but can be dispersed in oil. Emulsions can provide controlled release and improved absorption for lipophilic drugs. Third, microspheres and nanoparticles. These are solid particles that contain the drug and are suspended or dispersed in a liquid. They offer controlled release of the drug over time and can enhance drug stability and bioavailability. Microspheres are typically larger than nanoparticles. Fourth, liposomes. Liposomes are spherical vesicles composed of lipid bilayers that can encapsulate hydrophilic or hydrophobic drugs. They can improve drug solubility, protect the drug from degradation, and control its release. Fifth, liquid-liquid biphasic systems. In these systems, two immiscible liquid phases are combined, and the drug partitions into one of the phases. These systems can be used to modify drug release kinetics and achieve specific therapeutic effects. Sixth, implants. While not always considered traditional biphasic systems, implants can be designed to have two phases. For example, a solid implant might have a drug-loaded core surrounded by a biodegradable polymer coating that controls drug release. Next, advantages. First, controlled release. Biphasic dosage forms can be designed to provide controlled and sustained release of the drug over an extended period. This can lead to prolonged therapeutic effects, reduced dosing frequency, and improved patient compliance. Second, enhanced stability. These dosage forms can enhance the stability of drugs that are sensitive to environmental factors such as light, moisture, and oxidation. By encapsulating the drug within a stable phase, its degradation can be minimized. Third, improved bioavailability. Biphasic systems can enhance the solubility and absorption of poorly water-soluble drugs, leading to improved bioavailability and therapeutic efficacy. Fourth, targeted drug delivery. Some biphasic systems, like liposomes and microspheres, can be engineered to deliver drugs to specific target sites within the body, thereby reducing systemic side effects and improving the drug's therapeutic index. Fifth, reduced side effects. Controlled release and targeted delivery can lead to a reduction in side effects by maintaining drug concentrations within the therapeutic range and minimizing exposure to non-target tissues. Sixth, flexibility in formulation. Biphasic dosage forms offer flexibility in formulation design, allowing for the incorporation of both hydrophilic and hydrophobic drugs or multiple active ingredients. Disadvantages. First, complex formulation. Formulating biphasic dosage forms can be complex and may require specialized equipment and techniques. Achieving consistent drug distribution and phase separation can be challenging. Second, potential instability. Depending on the formulation, biphasic systems may be prone to phase separation or instability over time, leading to inconsistent dosing and reduced shelf life. Third, administration complexity. Patients may find the need to mix phases before administration inconvenient or confusing. This can affect patient compliance, especially in cases where shaking or mixing is required. Fourth, limited applicability. Biphasic systems may not be suitable for all types of drugs or therapeutic applications. The choice of formulation depends on the drug's physiochemical properties and the desired therapeutic outcome. Fifth, manufacturing challenges. The production of biphasic dosage forms can be more complex and time-consuming than traditional dosage forms, which could impact manufacturing efficiency and cost. Sixth, regulatory hurdles. Developing and obtaining regulatory approval for biphasic dosage forms may require additional studies to demonstrate safety, efficacy, and consistency. Seventh, potential for incompatibility. When two phases are combined, there is a possibility of incompatibility between the drug and the excipients used in the formulation. This can affect drug stability and safety. Uses of biphasic dosage form. Biphasic dosage forms have various applications in the pharmaceutical industry, offering advantages for specific therapeutic needs. Some common uses of biphasic dosage forms include: first, controlled release formulations. Biphasic dosage forms are often used to achieve controlled and sustained release of drugs over an extended period. This is particularly beneficial for drugs with a narrow therapeutic window or those that require constant blood levels for optimal efficacy. Second, improved drug solubility. For drugs with poor solubility in water or other body fluids, biphasic systems like emulsions, liposomes, or suspensions can enhance drug solubility, leading to improved absorption and bioavailability. Third, targeted drug delivery. Biphasic systems can be designed to deliver drugs to specific target sites in the body. For example, liposomes and microspheres can carry drugs to specific cells or tissues, reducing systemic side effects and enhancing therapeutic effectiveness. Fourth, localized therapy. Biphasic systems can be used to provide localized therapy for conditions like skin disorders, where a topical biphasic formulation can ensure prolonged drug release and enhanced skin penetration. Fifth, biopharmaceuticals and peptides. Biphasic systems can be used to deliver sensitive biopharmaceuticals, peptides, and proteins. These systems protect the delicate molecules from degradation and facilitate controlled release. Sixth, pulmonary drug delivery. Some biphasic systems are designed for pulmonary drug delivery, where they can be aerosolized and inhaled into the lungs. These systems are used for conditions like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and other respiratory disorders. Seventh, vaccines. Biphasic systems can be used to formulate vaccines, providing sustained release of antigens and adjuvants. This approach can lead to enhanced immune responses and potentially reduce the need for multiple administrations. 8. Local anesthesia. Biphasic systems can be utilized to deliver local anesthetics for pain relief. By controlling the release of the anesthetic agent, prolonged pain relief can be achieved. 9th. Ophthalmic formulations. Biphasic systems are used in ophthalmic applications to enhance drug retention on the ocular surface and improve bioavailability for treating eye conditions. 10th. Long-acting contraceptives. Biphasic dosage forms can be used for the delivery of long-acting contraceptives, providing effective contraception over an extended period. 11th. Cancer therapy. Biphasic systems can be designed to deliver chemotherapeutic agents to cancer cells, reducing systemic toxicity while increasing drug concentration at the tumor site. 12th. Treatment of infections. Biphasic systems can be used for the delivery of antimicrobial agents to treat localized infections or wounds, ensuring sustained drug release for effective microbial control. Now, factors affecting biphasic dosage form. The development and performance of biphasic dosage forms can be influenced by various factors, which can impact their stability, efficacy, and overall success. Some key factors affecting biphasic dosage forms include: first, drug properties. Under this, solubility. The solubility of the drug in the chosen phases, liquid or solid, can impact the ability to create a stable biphasic system. B. Chemical stability. Some drugs may undergo chemical degradation or interactions when exposed to specific phases or excipients, affecting their stability and therapeutic efficacy. Second, excipient compatibility. Under this, choice of excipients. The excipients used to formulate the biphasic system must be compatible with both the drug and each other to prevent phase separation or incompatibility issues. B. Emulsifying agents. For emulsions, the selection of appropriate emulsifying agents is crucial to ensure proper emulsification and stability. Third, phase separation. Under this, physical stability. Biphasic dosage forms should be designed to prevent phase separation over the product's shelf life or during administration. B. Storage conditions. Environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, and light exposure can influence the likelihood of phase separation. Fourth, dosage form design. Under this, particle size and distribution. In systems containing solid particles, uniform particle size distribution is essential to prevent settling and improve dosing accuracy. B. Dosage form geometry. The shape and design of the dosage form can influence mixing and separation dynamics. Fifth, manufacturing processes. Under this, homogeneity. Ensuring uniform distribution of the drug and excipients during manufacturing is crucial to achieve consistent dosing. B. Mixing techniques. Proper mixing or blending techniques are required to create a uniform distribution of phases and prevent phase separation. Sixth, administration considerations. Under this, ease of mixing. The ease of mixing or reconstitution of phases before administration can affect patient compliance and dosing accuracy. B. Dosing accuracy. Proper mixing and dispersion of phases are important to ensure accurate dosing. Seventh, bioavailability and release profiles. Under this, release mechanisms. The biphasic system's design can affect the release profile of the drug, influencing its bioavailability and therapeutic effect. B. Drug excipient interaction. The interaction between the drug and excipients can influence drug release kinetics. 8. Patient acceptance. Under this, ease of use. The ease of administration and any required steps, such as shaking or mixing, can impact patient acceptance and compliance. B. Clarity and appearance. The appearance and clarity of the biphasic system can affect patient perception and acceptance. 9th, regulatory considerations. Under this, stability studies. Regulatory authorities require stability studies to demonstrate the integrity and stability of the biphasic dosage form over its intended shelf life. B. Biocompatibility. For some applications, the compatibility of the dosage form with the targeted tissue or organ needs to be evaluated. 10th, cost and manufacturing efficiency. This involves complexity. The complexity of formulation and manufacturing processes can influence the cost and feasibility of producing the biphasic dosage form. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, then please kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.